coming up.
Wes, thanks. Breaking first at 9. If you were driving around the Grove and Hoover this evening and the traffic lights were out, this is why. It's because a car drove into a traffic pole on Preserve Parkway. That's near Magnolia Trace. That's what you're looking at now. Viewers tell us the wreck shut down power to lots of businesses in that area. Hoover police tell us there were no injuries in the crash, and Alabama Power is on scene working to restore that line. Well, first at 9, some good news for Birmingham's west side. Plans are underway to build a new transmission substation in the Sherman Heights neighborhood. Our Lauren Harkson speaking with the neighborhood president. All about it, Lauren. Okay, what are these plans?
All right, Josh, well, Alabama Power has been working on these plans since August of 2023. Their current transmission and distribution substation sits on 11th Street in Ensley and was built in 1941. They say since it's over 80 years old, it is deteriorating and they need a new substation. Now take a look at your screen. This is the area they plan on building the new transmission substation at the former Ensley Works. Alabama Power bought more than 11 acres of U.S. Steel property for the substation. A representative says it'll help with the grid and infrastructure resilience, ultimately providing more reliability for Alabama Power customers. David Gray with Alabama Power says they chose the site because of availability and impact on the neighborhood.
I'm sure many of y'all have seen transmission lines run into substations. They're big lines. Moving to this site allows us to remove that from residents' properties. And most of the lines already run through that area anyway, so there's minimal impact to the neighborhood once the new site is built. It would actually be removing structures that they would see.
We understand the need for upgrading and improving the current substation. However, there is concern about what the other properties will be done.
Sherman Heights neighborhood president Olivia Johnson tells me homeowners want to know what U.S. Steel will be doing with the hundreds of other acres they still own in that area. The Birmingham City Council unanimously approved Alabama Power's plan today. Josh.
All right, Lauren, thanks.